Hello guys, my name is Mohit and welcome to the channel. This is the second tutorial in the series of shell script. So today we will check some commands like command for check current date, command for users who logged into the system, command for the name of current user who logged into the system, etc. So let's start. First command is for current date. So if I type date and hit enter, then we will get the current date with current day. So the second one is for users who logged into the system. So if I type who and hit enter, then we will get the users who logged into the system. Third one is for the name of current user of the system. So if I type who am I without any space and hit enter, then we will get the name of the user. So fourth one is for calendar. So if I type cal and hit enter, then we will get the current calendar with the highlighted date. So fifth one is for all lists, files and directories of the system. So if I type ls and hit enter, then we will get all the directories like desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, etc. So that's all guys. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot.